So that's third?
Yep.
And what's the fourth do? Goes away.
Yep.
All right, can we go back to 3?
Yep. And when you let off the gas, it's the gears under a load. I'll cycle through first and second here too, and you'll hear how they're quieter. A little bit of noise. That's second, and when you let off, it's